You see my water coming out? My motor's running. I flushed out Brian helped me do this to make sure I had everything good. So I got water going through. She's pumped out all the antifreeze and she's running right now. How cool. Okay. I was in there cleaning and he said hi to me and he says, "You got this thing running yet?" And I was like, "No, not yet." And so he come and gave me a hand with it. And I still have to find a compass for my pedestal up here, and it's going to be a pain because I've not yet found it. And so anyways, alrighty. Awesome, it sounds great.